This is really spectacular at nighttime, but I'm not here at nighttime, and I'm here about 4 or 5 in the afternoon, so we'll just catch it as it is. But this is basically a street that we're going to walk down. Here's Bank of China here. It's kind of the main headquarters. That is a kind of a Riverview apartment. That one right there. That's the Yoho Treasure Island. That one right there. So it's going to be kind of a mall out in the water a little bit. You got some more casinos over there. You got MGM. Way in the distance, you got MGM and Wynn. And then right here you have Casino Lisboa. We are on something called Avenida de Lisboa, which is right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk down this road alongside of Grand Lisboa. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here we are. And we got both casinos right here. Yeah, it does look really nice at nighttime. It actually doesn't quite fit as well at this particular time. And that's our street right there called Avenida de Lisboa, and that's going to be right along the lines of these 2 casinos. That over there is kind of a bus terminal right there. And we're just going to kind of head up this way. There's Casino Lisboa. There's our other one. Yeah, I usually get a ton of people in here taking pictures, so this is kind of like probably one of the most photogenic, popular places to take pictures at in the whole city. Yeah, usually it's right here, so you see people over on the other side too with their cameras out as well. And what we're gonna do is walk down Avenida Lisboa. But you know what I think I'm gonna do is come over this way real quick, just because this is kind of a cool space. And there are a bunch of people over here, which is maybe interesting to film as well. And we can get out of the sun. And we can get some kind of interesting views like this. So yeah, that kind of it's kind of interesting. This giant thing like that. There we go. That's kind of interesting as well. So actually, all these people I think they're waiting for buses or for taxis. I'm not sure which. Taxi stand. Oh, that's a long line. Okay. So that's a really long line for taxis. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go back over to that side. Let's kind of get around here a little bit. And let's see. Oh, look at all the people in here. Just walking here real quick. This one has all kinds of stuff like this. Look at all the people in here. Wow. This is kind of like a lot of mainlanders. You can kind of tell. So we got these giant sculptures as well. And we got jewelry places. And all these kind of chandeliers everywhere. More sculptures as well. It's kind of like a I don't have the name for it, but it looks like a sculpture for what do you call that? Okay, let's just head right out this way. We'll come out like this. Now we're back out here again. So we're walking down Avenida Lisboa. We're back at the same spot again. And it's like the line is getting shorter. Not shorter, still longer, but I mean it's moving. I think there's a long line of taxis that come through in here. Okay, so we're gonna try to head out of here. Yeah, actually the spitting too. When you see the spitting, you kind of know it's mainland. So Avenida Lisboa is right over there. Pretty cool though. That's Avenida Lisboa between the two. I guess I'm gonna just stick to this side. Yeah, then if we come over here, I guess this is also Avenida Lisboa, so we'll stay faithful to our street. Just right there. At nighttime, this is a lot better. Kind of got reflections up there. And then this one, there's military club, and there's also some, the water used to, up there there's like a fortress. So you can kind of see it right up in that space on the other side. That fortress is, used to go to the water. So all this that we're on now is reclaimed land. So we're gonna go underneath here in Avenida Lisboa. We kind of got this interesting space in here. And down that way is called Zape. Nape. I think it's Zape and then Nape. So those are kind of the casino area, which is directly here. And you can see Compact Paradise Casino in the distance there. And then up here is Military Club. So this is actually this street that we're on, this cafe, Avenida de Lisboa. This one dissects with Avenida de Praia Grande, and this is used to be called Big Beach Road, and this used to be the end of the beach. So up here you can see cannons and like a military barracks. We're just gonna walk towards it. You can see a cannon right there. So all that was here to protect the Portuguese from the other Europeans, actually. So they were fine with China and Portugal, was fine. But the Dutch in particular, they kind of protected both Macau and also other Europeans from coming into Canton. But I think it's mostly self-preservation because the Dutch tried to take over everything at one point. Anyways, we're gonna be continuing on this way towards Military Club, and just because we're gonna get out of view, that's where we were just at. We're just gonna walk a little bit further before we end the video, but there's other cool stuff we could be doing as well, including this and the Military Club. But anyways, these are just on the other side of Lisboa. And that was our street. So let's just end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.